How to make a playlist on Spotify. Firstly, open your Spotify app on your device and navigate to the Your Library tab. It's usually located at the bottom of the screen. This is where you will manage your playlist and saved music. You'll also find all your playlist, albums, and liked songs here, making it easy to access your music collection. After that, look for the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen and tap on it. This icon is used for creating new content with Spotify. It's your gateway to adding new playlists, albums, and podcasts to your library. From the options that appear, select Playlist to indicate that you want to create a new playlist. This will prompt Spotify to guide you through the playlist creation process. You can also choose other options like creating a new album or podcast playlist. Now enter a name for your playlist in the provided field. Choose a name that reflects the theme or mood of the playlist. Once you have named your playlist, tap on Create to confirm and create the playlist. This name will help you easily identify and organize your playlists. Now that your playlist is created, you can start adding music to it. Tap on Add this playlist to begin searching for artists, songs, albums, or playlists to add to your newly created playlist. You can also add music directly from your library or browse recommended songs based on your listening habits. And that is how you can create playlists on Spotify. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please subscribe to our channel. And that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.